Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. My dumbass hit a curb at 35 miles per hour. Now granted, it was a glancing blow because I was going around a turn, but needless to say, I was traveling at a pretty good speed and I miscalculated where the curb was. And I just completely destroyed 2 of my 4 wheels. I mean, one is totally obliterated. Like chunks of metal are missing from the wheel. The front wheel isn't as bad. You know, it's that's definitely fixable, but I can't see how that back wheel will be fixable. I don't see it.
Then use the right lane to take a slight right turn to merge onto CA 113 south toward I-80.
So now, you know, my buddy Jay, who I bought my first set of wheels from, he comes to the rescue. He's got another set of wheels that I was really seriously considering besides the TE37's. So I'm on my way to meet with him now. It's turned into a very expensive day. In all of my cars, I've never done this. I've never done this. It's almost like a curse at this point because I actually bent a set of TE37's on my FK8, but that was on track. Okay, that was just going over one of the sausage curbs. At least I was on a racetrack. This was just driving like a dumbass on the street. So, so frustrating. It is Christmas Eve morning, and I found the only tire shop in town that is open right now, just so I can get these horribly damaged wheels off my car. I still can't believe this happened. I still cannot believe. I mean, it's fucked. Like, it is so done. I still can't believe it happened. But anyways, we get some new wheels out of it. You know, that's the upside. Unfortunately, I had to spend the money, but whatever. Hopefully we can get it fixed, and we'll spend Christmas Day with new wheels on the car and not damaged. Finally done. The wheels are finally on the car, and I'm not gonna lie, guys, I think I like these better than the TEs. Check it out. The car is dropped on Eibach Pro Kit lowering springs, less than an inch drop. In fact, it's only about 0.6 of an inch drop all the way around. I didn't want much of a drop on the car. I think this is perfect, especially with these wheels. We have here the Advan GT Premium in an 18 by 9.5 plus 38. I think the 38 offset is absolutely perfect on the FL5. On the FK8, if you got a plus 38, you had to trim the front upper tab, and on hard bumps in the rear, it would rub. Absolutely none of that in the FL5. No trimming needed, no scraping on bumps. The car's already lowered. I've been driving it like crazy, zero issues whatsoever. Shout out to Unity Performance who hooked me up on the lowering springs. They do a lot of work with Hondas, especially the FK8 and FL5 Type R. So if you guys are interested in anything for your vehicle, they are actually ahead of the game when it comes to knowing what parts are usable from the FK8 on the FL5. So if you're interested in picking up some parts for yourself, hit them up. I'll put a link in the description below. So anyways, that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you for joining me. Comment down below. Let me know what you think about the wheels. And until next time, stay hungry, stay fast, stay tuned. I'm Michael Baxi, and I'm out.
Okay, I've been working like 3 jobs. Probably why I never see ya. Probably why I never have time for the fake friends I won't be ya. Oh God, I've been running now. Up early when the sun is out. Not setting out my own soul, but those real ones, they coming out. Oh look who's reaching out. Old friends wanna feature now. They don't work, so they need it free. Ooh, you reaching out from the west side of that.